Ready?
Hello, I'm so glad that you're all here. We have a variety of music for you. You're gonna hear some Broadway, you're gonna hear some top 40, you're gonna hear some oldies. Just keep guessing, because we probably are including it. So, first up is Libby. And Libby, I've forgotten what you're singing. Yeah.
Valerie by Amy Winehouse.